We use money every single day. From that morning coffee to paying bills online, it's the lifeblood of our economy. But what if I told you that the very nature of money is on the cusp of a revolutionary change? We're not talking about another banking app or a new cryptocurrency. We're talking about something far more fundamental, the digital dollar. So, what exactly is a digital dollar? Imagine cash, but purely digital, not the money in your bank account, which is a promise from a commercial bank. A digital dollar would be a direct liability of the central bank. In the US, that's the Federal Reserve. It's a bit like taking physical cash and giving it superpowers for the digital age. It would be legal tender, just like the bills in your wallet, but designed specifically for our increasingly digital world. Here's the key difference. When your money is in a commercial bank, the bank owes you that money. With a digital dollar, the central bank would owe it directly to you. This is a crucial distinction that has major implications for everything from financial stability to how quickly government payments could reach us. And no, it's not cryptocurrency. While it's digital, it's centralized and issued by the government, unlike the decentralized nature of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Think of it as public money for a digital era. Why are central banks around the world, including the US, even considering this? There are some powerful motivations. Financial inclusion. Billions of people globally, and millions right here at home, are unbanked or underbanked. They rely on expensive check cashing services or struggle to access mainstream financial services. A digital dollar could offer a low cost, easy to access digital payment option for everyone, directly from the central bank. Imagine instant access to your money without needing a traditional bank account. Faster, cheaper payments. Sending money across borders can be slow and expensive. A digital dollar could enable instant, secure, and significantly cheaper cross border transactions. For businesses, this means smoother global trade. For families, it means remittances reach loved ones faster and with fewer fees. Even domestic payments could become more efficient, reducing transaction costs for businesses and consumers alike. Monetary policy and innovation. In a crisis, how quickly can stimulus checks reach people? A digital dollar could allow central banks to implement monetary policy more directly and efficiently. It could also spur innovation in financial services, creating a platform for new payment technologies and smart contracts, similar to how the internet enabled countless new applications. While the potential benefits are compelling, the digital dollar isn't a silver bullet. There are significant concerns and complex trade-offs that need careful consideration. Privacy. This is arguably the biggest concern. A fully digital, government-backed currency could offer unprecedented insights into individual transactions. How much would the government know about your spending habits? The balance between preventing illicit activities like money laundering and protecting individual privacy is a tightrope walk. Different designs could offer varying levels of anonymity, but this remains a central debate. Cybersecurity. A central digital currency system would be a massive target for cyber attacks. The security infrastructure would need to be absolutely ironclad to protect against breaches that could cripple the economy. This isn't just about protecting money, it's about protecting the integrity of the entire financial system. Impact on commercial banks. What happens to traditional banks if people decide to move their money from commercial accounts into digital dollar accounts? This could impact banks' ability to lend, potentially disrupting the existing financial ecosystem. Finding the right balance to complement, rather than compete with, commercial banks is crucial. The US isn't alone in exploring this. Countries around the globe are in various stages of developing their own central bank digital currencies. China, for instance, is far along with its digital yuan. The Bahamas already has its sand dollar in circulation. This global race adds another layer of complexity: the strategic importance of the US maintaining its leadership in the global financial system. The design choices for a digital dollar are critical. Will it be direct, where everyone has an account directly with the central bank, or indirect, using private sector intermediaries like banks to manage accounts, similar to how things work now? Should it be interest-bearing, like a savings account, or non-interest bearing, like cash. And then there's the controversial concept of programmability, money with built-in rules, like an expiration date or restrictions on what it can be spent on. These are not just technical questions, they are fundamental societal decisions. The digital dollar isn't just a wonky economic concept. It's about the future of how we earn, spend, and save. It's about how governments operate, how businesses thrive, and how individuals participate in the economy. This isn't a decision that will be made in a vacuum. It will be shaped by public discourse, by technological advancements, and by thoughtful policy debate. Narrator, understanding the potential benefits, greater inclusion, efficiency, and innovation, alongside the very real concerns about privacy, security, and financial stability, is vital. The conversation around the digital dollar is evolving rapidly. It's a monumental undertaking, and its implications will touch every aspect of our lives. So, what are your thoughts? Do the potential benefits outweigh the risks? What aspects concern you most? Let us know in the comments below and stay informed as we navigate this fascinating new frontier of money. The future of the dollar, and perhaps the future of finance itself, is being written right now. Thank you for watching Digital Dollar Finance. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos just like this.